Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial series you'll be learning how you can design a foldable table in Catia V5. This is a completed design and here is our work in progress, and this is the final rendered image. Now we have created the second clamp and now we need to assemble it. To assemble the clamp, initially let's do a little bit of modification on this. As you can see, this point is visible here, and also all these planes are visible. So let's open that part in a separate window. Open new window. Now let's hide all this and right, now we have one point here. You can hide it as well. Now you can save this part and close this window, and you have that particular effect being seen in the product mode here. Now what you can do here is you can double click on the foldable table tutorial here is the product to make sure that you're on the product mode. And now you can use the contact constraint and just give contact constraint for this particular face and Control U and update that particular constraint there. Now what you can do next will be just make sure that you're on the perspective view for a better navigation. Now you need to place the clamp here, so just use the coincidence constraint now you can coincide that particular hole with this hole here, and now let's see how it turns out to be. Let's zoom out a pinch and zoom in a pinch here, and that's constrained there. Let's use the Control U update button. You'll be able to see that it's updated here for this. Let's rotate a pinch and go for coincidence and zoom in and constrain this particular hole with this hole here, and let's put Control U to update that. And if you zoom out, you'll be able to see that the clamp stays at the right position. Similarly, do this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions. I will pause the video and I'll get back to you, or I'll resume the video once I've done all this positioning here. You can manually do it for each and all of these holes, and let's see. We'll be back in a while. I'm back now, and this is how the table looks like once you have assembled all the different clamps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt in assembling these clamps, please comment below the video and I'll get in touch with you. It's not much complicated how I assemble a clamp, because it's almost the same method that we've used while assembling these clamps here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment below or write to me at catia.pro.user@gmail.com. Stay tuned.